women were the first people on this planet to have wisdom. Do you agree with me or not? Yes. The reason women are the first to have wisdom, the first to become knowledgeable, the first to know good and evil. Women are the first people on this planet to experience the knowledge of good and evil. Because Eve ate the apple from the snake. Yes, she ate the apple from the snake and her eyes opened. When her eyes opened, she realized she was naked. Now, so she take no say she now naked, now she be, because before all of them, they gyrate, with all of them, they gyrate in their birthday suit without knowing whether they are naked or not. But that was the way God intended it for you, human being. They like things the way they keep them until you see us. The devil will be the snake, can't deceive him. She can't go chop the apple. As she chop the apple, now her eye can't open. When her eye can't open, she can't know say she naked. She can't know say, she even noticed a lot of things. So, she can't go cover herself well. She cover herself well because she don't know say this kind of thing no good. they show her for public. So when she come, she take get that kind of sense. I don't know. But she get the sense to cover herself because she don't get wisdom. First person to have wisdom, female. Let me talk say Eve. No be Oyibo. If Eve na Oyibo woman, she for no chop that apple. Me I know. She for first ask them if now the apple na organic, abi na normal apple, abi. Before she chop, because say black women, as soon as they hear say this thing na fruit of wisdom, black woman, when we don't get all the wisdom for this one, he go chop and look at the tell them say, if no be Oyibo, if no be black. Like say if na black, if I no chop that apple, but it's chop am because me I believe say Eve na black woman. That make she get mind. Collect the apple, chop. Anyway, the story be say, as she chop the apple, her eye can't open. Then she can't realize say she naked. And now that time go take no say men self stupid well. There's some men, their stupidness not be today start. They don't take from Obidoro now. Te go. You remember say after Eve give her the apple, may he chop. Her eye self can't open. As the eye open, when God call them. Adam, where are you? When Adam hear God's voice, instead of Adam go to say, here am I. No, because he's stupid. Man, no, upon the apple way don't just see, he no still get sense. The cleverness no kick in fast. He take it slow before he enter. So now make when God come call him, Adam, where are you? Adam say, my Lord, I'm naked. Yes, Adam say naked. God no ask you if you're naked. God ask you, where are you? Since man, the first shout, because you don't say you don't commit. Don't shit for church, use Bible clean your. Now you shout, my Lord, I'm naked. You naked? How you take no say you naked? You happy? You think say God no son, I don't chop. You don't already chew the apple. You don't already now see now. You can't say see them. These people who are carry poo for you. Man, for better their life. They say they be better people. See what they do. You know, as they chop the apple, God they watch you as they chop her. You chop finish, come carry, go give your husband. He chop. Now don't open eye now. Adam say I'm naked. Foolish man, yeah, man. You know, say some men still yeah till today. You don't understand? Because they follow the footstep. They inherit them, na inheritance. Na inheritance for men. Men now are intelligent because they don't go school. If not be say na Cambridge and all this school where they go now, I'm not sure say men forget sense, because the way men of those days they behave like Adam. If all the men behave like Adam, the men are for stock say men for no get sense. But anyway, thank God for all the schools and everything. Now men don't get sense. But make una no forget say now woman na teach you na sense. If no be say na woman, Adam till today, Adam for still they carry in your jolo, they waka the whole roundabout, they waka the whole everywhere. You know, some of they thank us, even up to date, a lot of men we don't make am today. Now woman I show them road. A lot of men we don't achieve something today. Now woman I open eye for them. You know, so some men go say, if not be man, woman not be this. Now lie you. Without a woman, men say for now no go feed they clean on our own bottom very, very well. Make I tell you now. So men na they hate women they too much. Now we first give una wisdom. Make una they respect us more for that one. Because we women, as now they look down on us. Make una know they forget one thing. Say now we women then give una wisdom. Well, make una enjoy this video. Please, if you like my video, subscribe and like and share. God bless you as you watch. All my subscribers, I have 18 subscribers now, and I'm very happy. I know it's not much, but I do appreciate it. Thank you all that have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please help me and subscribe, and God will bless you. Keep watching and keep having fun. Thank you all, and bye.